The hummingbirds come out early in the morning to beat the yellow jackets. The chickadees come out early to beat the scrub jays. They are joined briefly by a junco. When His Majesty the scrub jay shows up, he demands the whole feeder to himself. Everybody else has to wait in the tree until he leaves. I put out some peanuts on the feeder, and this little chickadee makes a valiant effort to eat one, but it doesn't work out too well for him. The scrub jay, on the other hand, can carry them off with ease. Lastly, a spotted towhee makes a brief appearance on the ground.